Hi, I'm Professor Kim Clausing. I'm the Eric Zolt Professor of Tax Law and Policy here at UCLA School of Law. I recently wrote a paper on tax policy criteria and the green transformation, and that sounds like a mouthful, but what the paper really looks at is the overlap between tax policy and climate policy. I look at ways in which we can analyze climate policy using tax policy tools and focus on things like the fiscal impact of the policy, the distribution on different people in the economy, and administrative and compliance costs. But I think the most interesting part of the paper is looking at the efficiency of climate policy and its ability to reduce emissions. And the element of that I'm most excited about is the international element. How does one country's climate policies influence another country's climate policies? And there's a great new tool out there that the Europeans are using in the EU, the Canadians and Australia are also thinking about, which is a carbon border adjustment mechanism. And how that works is effectively applies the same climate policy tools to imports as you apply to domestic goods, which makes it easier to be ambitious at home. And it also gives other countries an incentive to adopt stronger climate policies. So this is a real tool for the world to think about providing incentives towards solving that global collective action problem.